A son and his father were walking on the mountain. Suddenly, the son fell down, hurted himself, and started screaming. To his surprise, he heard the voice repeating, "Somewhere in the mountains." Cautious, he yelled, "Who are you?" He received the answer, "Who are you?" And then he screamed to the mountain, "I admire you." The voice answered, "I admire you." Angry at the answer, he screamed, "Coward." And he received the answer, "Coward." Unable to understand, he looked at his father and asked, "What is going on?" The father smiled and said, "My son, pay attention." The father screamed, "You are a champion." The voice replied, "You are a champion." The boy was surprised but did not understand. Then the father explained, "This is echo, but really this is life. It gives you back everything you do or say." Our life is simply a reflection of our actions. If you want more love and care in your life, then create more love and care in your heart. If you want more competence, then improve your competence. This formula applies to everything in all the aspects of the life. Life will give you back everything you have given to it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.